Good morning students. Today I am going to start the fifth lesson, that is coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum. Here we use various materials for our basic needs. Some of them are found in the nature and some of them are man-made. Next to that we have activity 5.1 in which two things we need to write, that is natural and the man-made. The things we see around us, we need to list out. We have to list out the natural things in one side and the man-made things in another side. Okay. Does these natural things includes air, water, soil or the minerals? In your column you see if they are include. See, availability of these various resources in the nature. Natural resources can be broadly classified into the two types. There are two types, that is inexhaustible natural resources, and exhaustible natural resources. There are two types. One is inexhaustible natural resources and exhaustible natural resources. Okay. What is inexhaustible natural resources? The inexhaustible natural resources, the resources which are not exhausted by the human activity. Inexhaustible natural resources are the resources which are not exhausted by the natural activity, human activities. Okay. Next, for example, for the inexhaustible natural resources are sunlight and the air. We cannot decrease the amount of sunlight, we cannot increase by our human activity. That is, we call it as inexhaustible natural resources, that is air and sunlight. The next is exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible natural resources are the resources in which we can exhaust. They can be exhausted by the human activity. They can be decreased in the amount. The availability of these, the amount of these exhaustible resources, these resources can be decreased in the amount by the human activity. Such resources are called as the exhaustible natural resources. Okay. For example, for the exhaustible natural resources are wildlife, forest, minerals, coal, petroleum and the gases. Wildlife, forest, coal, minerals, petroleum and the natural gases. These are the example for the exhaustible natural resources. Okay.